Topic: Biodiversity and the Healthy Society. Hello everyone, I am Sarah Espanol, and today I will talk about biodiversity and the healthy society. Biodiversity means the variety of life on Earth, like plants, animals, microorganisms, and even ecosystem. It plays a very important role in keeping humans healthy, our environment balanced, and our society sustainable. In this video, I will explain this topic in simple words, share how it affects our daily lives, and give my personal reflection along with some possible solutions. So here is the explanation. Biodiversity is important because every living thing has a role in nature. Plants give us oxygen, food, and medicines. Animals help control pests, pollinate crops, and keep ecosystem balanced. Microorganisms clean water, break down waste, and help soil become healthy. When biodiversity is healthy, humans benefit through clean water, safe food, fresh air, and stable climate. But when it destroyed because of pollution, deforestation, climate change, and illegal hunting, so our health and safety are affected. How it affects people's health, lifestyle, and environment. Biodiversity has a big impact on our health. Many medicines come from plants and animals. For example, about 60% of cancer medicines came from natural sources. If we lose biodiversity, we may also lose future cures for diseases. For our lifestyle, biodiversity gives us food variety, vegetables, fruits, fish, and livestock. If species disappear, food supply can become limited and expensive. For the environment, biodiversity keeps ecosystems stable. Forecasts prevent floods, coral reefs protect coastlines, and wetlands filter dirty water. If biodiversity is damaged, becomes stronger, water becomes polluted, and air becomes unhealthy. As solutions to promote a healthier and sustainable society, we can protect biodiversity in simple and realistic ways. Plant trees and protect green spaces. Avoid littering, trash kills marine life and clogs rivers. Support local farmers and avoid overusing chemicals. Reduce single-use plastics to protect marine biodiversity. Promote awareness. Remind others to care for nature. Participate in community, cleans up, and eco-friendly projects. Small action done consistently can create a big impact on our society's health and sustainability. For me, biodiversity is not just a topic in school. It is something we see every day. Living in the Philippines, we experience typhoons, floods, and environmental problems. I realize that many of these happen because nature is being destroyed. Personally, I believe that protecting biodiversity is also protecting ourselves, our families, and the future generation. I think we should not wait for the environment to collapse before we start caring.